Okay, I had a chance to, I'm putting this side blade back on. This is the new Blacktop Mod side blade, and I just wanted to help you guys out. So if you're doing the install, the order of operations makes a difference. So the first thing you're gonna do is you gotta take off the side skirt. The lower panel goes all the way to the front tire, comes all the way back to the back. After that, you're gonna take this off, your air intake, the big scoop. And then after that, then you can take off the actual side blade assembly, which is all this up to there. Oh, and then you'll need to take this off too. So I'm just putting everything back on, and so I'm ready to put the side skirts on and then pop the side blades on, we'll be done. Right side, all done, all installed. V10 side blades with the V10 honeycomb. That's not really that good at lighting to me though. Flashlight. That's a flashlight on it. Looks awesome. Hey, good morning guys. I just wanted to show you what to do, or not what to do, but what I did when the plastic tabs were mutilated. So I have to shut this off and flip it around. So if you notice on this one, you can't really see on this one, but on this side, this is the passenger side. Audi, I should have took a picture before. They put a huge amount of stuff on, and they basically, the way that they pressed it with their robot, it destroyed these white tabs. So what you can see is this one, it wasn't even connected. This one, both sides were disconnected, and this one was actually intact. So you can see on the intact one, my tabs fit perfect, it's super tight, no problem. On this one, what I did, I cracked it myself. I was doing something and I cracked it a little bit. So that's the plastic weld, so it'll be fine. What I did is I just finished doing this. I should have taken a picture before, but I plastic welded the white tabs where they were broken. I plastic welded them together and then put it on there and then did my normal thing. So these tabs were like seriously destroyed. This one was just hideous, fully destroyed. But as you can see, it's going to work out just fine. So, even if you totally destroy the sides of them, which is the worst case scenario, is this whole piece where the tab is, this whole piece just blows out. And that's what happened on both sides of this. And I was able to weld those pieces together with plastic weld. This JB Weld. Hey, why is that? I was able to weld that together. And that stuff it's plastic, and so if you need to melt it again, I didn't want to use the regular JB Weld because, you can't melt that down again. Whereas this stuff you can, if you need to. For example, what if something happens to your side blade or whatever and you need to, buy a replacement? I don't know, you might crack it, hit a rock, I don't know. You're going to want to, with these, I can still bend these up, take them off just like originally, and then I can put another set on. It's not a big deal. So just thought I'd let you know, going to install these right now. So just finishing up, took the passenger side off today, and this side was off, and I was going to put it on, and you know what made me do the other side right now? See this little bolt, or this little screw entrance? Gotta watch out, it touches. Okay, you see all those? So it's been 9 months since I took it off. So I was putting it back and I'm like, what goes there? I'm looking at the sub-assembly, and if you look at it, That side's done. It's in the other room. But this side is still, I just took it off. This is the original, you know, the regular, not the V10 one. And so if you look at the bottom, that's the only place it attaches. There's nothing underneath. So there's nothing here. There's nothing there. There's no place that it attaches. So I was like, well, I guess I'll have to take off the other side and see where it is. See what's there. Boom. Took it off. Nothing goes there. It's just I don't know, maybe they were gonna do something else when they designed it, but they didn't put that there. So, crisis averted. Tomorrow, I gotta clean up. I got a bunch of stuff I gotta do tonight. But tomorrow, we'll have the V10s in with my new intake mesh. I'll show you the one I've already put together. It's all assembled. This one's ready to install. See this one? This one's ready to go. This needs to be cleaned. But it's all in there, ready to go. It's all plastic welded in, bolted there, all attached well. It's ready to do it. So we'll see you tomorrow. Here's a snag for you. Here's my original carbon fiber normal blades. Notice something. Oh. Look at that. We've got some nice rivet nuts in there. Here's the ones I bought. These are Audi, genuine Audi. But when I bought them, somebody took them out. So now I got to put rivet nuts in there, and I hope I can do it, because if I can't, this is going to be a big issue. I'll have to buy whatever those are. I mean, I know that they fit these, but so anyway, unfortunately I have rivet nuts, and I should be able to fix it. But just letting you know, never works out the way you want. I was just getting ready to pop these on just now.